Hello everyone, new video about two knives today, not Victorinox, Leatherman and AuRiver, so a knife made in China, and this Leatherman SKELETOOL. So two parts, one about the Leatherman, one about the AuRiver. So I'll see you in 10 seconds. So let's start with Leatherman SKELETOOL KB. So this box, this huge box for a tiny knife. I don't know why they made us so big box, but so here's a knife. I really like the design. So the knife closed. It's 8.7 centimeters or 3.45 inches. Open, it's 14.9 centimeters or 5.87 inches. The blade length is 6.6 centimeters and 2.6 inches. The weight 36.85 grams. The steel, it's 420 HC, and here we have aluminum. That's I really like the design. Here we have a cap lifter, bottle opener, and of course the blade. If you remove this, you lose, of course, the cap lifter, bottle opener. That's a good one. It's liner lock, of course, for the locking system. What else can I say? So I'm a bit disappointed with the steel. I don't think it's the best one, and Leatherman could have put something else, but I don't know. We can open one end, close it as well, like this. So it's yeah, it's tiny compared with Victorinox 91mm knife. So it's a tiny one compared the blades. So it's about the same thing. Liner lock, as I said. So beautiful tiny knife. Yeah, just the steel of the blade, which is not that great. The next one is so a knife made in China. The brand is AuRiver. I don't know how it's pronounced, but we have here 12.5 centimeters. Open, it's 22 centimeters. The blade 9 centimeters. It weighs 118 grams. So of course it's a flipper. We have a liner lock. The steel is D2. So same thing, maybe not the best one because it's hard to sharpen. But and the scales, it's G10. So that's a good knife. As you can see, the blade is well centered. I removed the plate, I forgot the name, the clip for the belt. I put it back for the video. But so not a bad knife. I like the design as well. Design of the blade. The negative side is the liner lock. which is I don't know. You see, doesn't go very far and seems a bit dangerous. So that's the negative point, I would say. But for what I do with it, it's fine, I would say. I don't have any problems. But yes, you have to notice this line lock that is not very well. But apart from that, I think it's a good knife. So I've been using them for 2 months. I'm not disappointed. Good knives. Even though I'm not a big fan of the steel ear, neither ear, and the line lock, which bothers me a little. But apart from that, not that bad. Yes, that's all I had to say. As usual, if you have any questions in the comment section below, tell me what you think about them, of course. So the Leatherman SKELETOOL KB, of course, is not new. It's been out for a while. I think it was around, I don't know, it was 4 years ago, maybe, something like that. But I got it 2 months ago, so not that long. If you have any questions, what you think about them, tell me. And of course, there will be other videos about other knives than Victorinox, which can be interesting, I think. So take care and see you next time. Bye bye. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you